see, it's apparently lunch. So what's happening? The car going down the cheetah stand. It's going down.
Gonna be red.
Red?
Speaking of man of the hour, you want to explain what's going on today?
Today, I'm glad you're going to take White Ghost out there with me. We're going to drop it off to get this amazing wrap job coming up for it soon. So stay tuned. It's going to look totally different before, and then the after's coming.
And I was saying before about the showroom. This looks like a little showroom. I love it so much, man. I don't know what you're gonna do with the whole room. Are you gonna do like a little bit of it, or? I'm gonna
go with the whole room once I get some stuff moved out. We're gonna make it a little bit more. You know, things take time.
They said we got the, like I said, no license plate, but plaid. We got the plaid badge. It's looking awesome, man. But I am very excited to see where this thing takes us, especially the performance it offers.
I'm gonna give you something. My little grandbaby, she got her own Tesla. Got the Tesla scooter in front of the track. It's my grandbaby.
Look at this, a baby Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model S. A baby Model S. The specs is 0 to 60 in 2 seconds, right?
She got some balls on there.
There you go. But you can clearly see the difference between the two specs here, except obviously price difference, and then also the way it looks. It's more wider on the side for good performance, especially with traction and all that looks. And to me, it feels great. Like with every bump we do, it just doesn't feel like it's there. So I'm excited to see what this turns out to be. I can't wait to see this thing on the track.
I'm gonna show you on the side of the house how dedicated my love is for Tesla, you know, their products. So I'm gonna show you right quick.
I know you're very dedicated. Didn't you get an umbrella at one point?
I got it, yeah. I gotta get another one for that one now to match it at the track.
You gotta do like a Rolls Royce thing, pull it out of the door.
Out the door, baby, out the track, you know. Keeping the sun out of it when we at the track. I'm dedicated with the Tesla product. I believe in they products and their visions. You ever seen them before? You ever seen the Powerwalls before?
Oh man, this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. I give you, you even got the Tesla, you got the band, bro, the Tesla band on there.
Oh, daddy. Hey! Do these. See what you think I ain't gonna look on there with the track.
Ooh, we got the logo on there. Gotta wrap them out a little bit. Oh, we gotta wrap them up a little bit. There we go. All right, show the babies. Woo!
You gotta see when that sun hit them joints.
Man. Oh, you gotta hit the sun, hit it. Oh man, that is gonna look awesome on the thing. That's gonna look amazing on the track, dude. It's gonna look amazing in general, like on the Tesla in general.
On the drag, slick radio tires. That sun be hitting that thing right. It's like a copper gold type of. Did you see right here? That's called kettle beads. What that does is, that's specially done so, you ever heard of bead lock wheels, racing wheels, all the torque and power? Keep your tire from slipping for all that torque, because that car can put a lot of torque and stopping power too, so the tires won't slip.
I feel that. I got you.
So I'm
very new to this kind of stuff a little bit, so I'm learning every day.
We're gonna get you right, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna let him do that on that.
That way you don't put it actually on the paint of the car. And man, this color is gorgeous. Waiting until you see where you're getting.
See where they go on different angles, man.
Huh?
Hey. Oh man.
That's all I can show y'all.
You see, it looks gray when it's shadow on it.
And the sun, that's gonna look good.
I'm gonna pull out this.
Yeah, that way, yeah, we don't hit it.
Are we about to experience what it's like? Experience it?
I bet. I'm excited because this is the only thing I really haven't been around.
It's okay if I film your reaction?
Yeah, man,
yeah, for sure.
I'm down for it. I have YouTube channels, so I have. I'm trying to record. Wait for
And I wasn't even full cheetah stand.
Oh, wow.
See. So what's happening? The car going down the cheetah stand. It's going down.
Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Oh shit! Man, this thing is a blast. Plaid and
Getting ready.
Have a chance, you got it.
All right, here you go. Ready?
Yes, sir. Oh my God! Yes, sir!
Hey, you get up to 100.
Oh wow! Whoa! Fucking that just felt, man.
Do it one more time. We'll never make time wrong.
Bro, what did we just drive into? We got a Lamborghini SVJ, gray color, purple, and then a 488P Fiesta. Holy shit, that is sick. And the SVJ, I can't get over how clean that color looks. I swear I've seen this at an import expo, but this dude, this thing is mean as hell. I love these two cars.